Crypto news. What to come in the cryptocurrency market? What do you say? Bitcoin is going to reach a worth of $28,000 in December 2022. I am not shooting the arrows in the air, but Deutsche Bank analysts provide an in-depth analysis of figuring out the Bitcoin's future worth. Deutsche Bank analysts Marian Lavor and Galina Pozdniakova provide the insights suggesting the mirror movements of cryptocurrency with Nasdaq 100 and S&P 500. According to this cryptocurrency's correlation, the rebound of S&P value in January could cause a 30% increase in the Bitcoin's value, which could cause it to reach $28,000 worth. Welcome to Crypto Dogmas, our one-stop for all your crypto fixes. Here you'll find our views on everything related to crypto market analysis, education, NFTs, metaverse, perspective, and opinion about the cryptocurrency market. In this video, I will share the latest news on highlighted cryptocurrencies and experts' analyses of their future value. Watch this video until the end to get insights into the predictions about the Ripple price of $5, the USD price of $1, and several more exciting facts about the crypto market. But first, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss another exciting video about the crypto news. One thing you must remember is, what you are about to see is mainly our views on the cryptocurrency market and should only be used for information and entertainment purposes. Crypto dogmas do not provide financial advice. Okay, now that's out of the way, let's get started. As everyone is talking about the crypto crash, I will talk about the chances of the crypto market's recovery from this deleveraging era. Let's bring little hope in the darkness. If you like the motive, do like my video also. What is the slight hope in the darkness of the crypto era? I am talking about the statement made by JP Morgan on Wednesday that can wipe out the fear of a crypto crash from every crypto trader. According to a JP Morgan analyst, the historic deleveraging of the cryptocurrency market could be coming to an end, which could signal the close of the worst of the bear market. JP Morgan analysts further brought into light the increased willingness of cryptocurrency entities to bail out companies from this crash. According to him, the crypto market has suffered a lot, and the suffering is already well advanced, so this era should end. Well-known blockchain firms such as Blocks, Three Arrows Capital, and Celsius are amid befalling calamities. The worst which could ever happen is that FTX was offering $25 million for BlockFi. But after the tweet from BlockFi's CEO, it was confirmed as a rumor. I know you are more interested in hearing about the rescuer of the cryptocurrency market than the sufferers. If you are waiting for a massive perk in crypto prices, do let me know in the comment section. The rescuer is venture capital funding, a good indicator for ending the crash era. According to JP Morgan's estimate, the VC funding was $5 billion to the crypto firms in May and June. Venture capital funding has a massive urge to serve this market even with higher funds. That is an overview of the recent crypto market and its predictions. Now I am heading towards specific cryptocurrencies. Let's start with Bitcoin, the highest on the worth list. Bitcoin. I have discussed the prediction about Bitcoin at the start of the video. But here is another prediction to get an insight into the maximum fall in Bitcoin value. As Bitcoin has stuck at 19,000, the MVRVZ score indicates the macro bottom price of Bitcoin is $17,500 with fair chances of further fall. Actually, the MVRVZ score is based upon the in-depth analysis of historical price trends of cryptocurrency. It figures out the highest and lowest value than the fair value of cryptocurrency. What do you think? Which prediction has a likely higher chance of coming true? Do let me know in the comment below. Now I have something interesting for Ethereum lovers that they should not miss if they invest in Ethereum or plan to do so. Ethereum. The recent price of Ethereum is around 1,000 USD or so at the recording of this video. The crypto crash is not alone for Bitcoin, but also moderately affects all cryptocurrencies. If we talk about the experts' views about Ethereum's future price, then it can land somewhat between 4,000 USD to 8,000 USD by the end of 2022 with a fair chance of fall. The crypto market is highly volatile, and no one can predict digital currency's worth. According to experts, predictions about the Ethereum prices are far more complicated. But at the same time, a fair number of experts believe a rise in its price. And the reason for the rise in Ethereum is trying to convert its currency into a less energy-intensive version of Ethereum 2.0. If this upgrade could succeed, the price of Ethereum will surely increase. Bloomberg intelligence analyst Mike M.C. Glone conducted an analysis in January 2022 about the prediction of Ethereum's price. According to him, the Bloomberg Galaxy Crypto Index shows a colossal perk in Ethereum pricing in 2022, which is 4,000 USD. But with the crypto crash, this prediction is on a ventilator. But anything can happen in the crypto market. You may see this prediction coming true in the upcoming months or at the end of this year, as this market is highly unpredictable. Another analyst of Coinpedia predicts Ethereum's value to be somewhat between $6,500 to $7,500 after viewing the history of this cryptocurrency. Again, keep one thing in mind: the purpose of this video is only for entertainment and education, not to give you any financial advice. XRP. Here, I have an extremely popular cryptocurrency among retail and institutional investors. I am talking about XRP. As you all know, the recent price of XRP is about 0.31 USD. During the time of this video, Ripple or XRP is in the limelight due to its low fees and fast transaction speed. Several past predictions about this coin were accurate, one of which was in 2019 when Alexander Saunders, CEO and founder of Nuggets News, predicted the price of Ripple to reach 30 cents, and this currency proved the prediction accurate by calling 50 cents in 2019. Now the analysts are predicting different prices, and the highest among all is $5. The technical experts of the GOV Capital believe that the Ripple price will reach $5 by 2027. That is pretty possible if the crypto market gains its peak again. But for this year, technical analysts see the minimum value of XRP to be 0.47 USD, and the highest value would be 0.56 USD. According to the analyst of Changely, the average trading value of Ripple would be 0.49 USD. Stellar. Now let's talk about the Stellar Lumens, whose price has fluctuated since 2017. First, let's talk about the recent price of Stellar. Its current price is 0.11 USD. During the time of this video, it does not have appealing price history, but on May 16, 2021, it reached 0.79 USD. After that, its graph started decreasing, and in February 2022, Russia's invasion of Ukraine caused a further downturn of the coin to 0.16 USD. After that, China's ban on cryptocurrency further caused it to lose its worth, and now it is at 0.11 USD. But experts have high hopes about the upclimbing of its price graph. Wallet investors predict its price to be 0.18 USD next June. They have high hopes for its price to be 0.41 USD by June 2027. The experts at GOV Capital predict Stellar recent year price. Their in-depth analysis shows its price to be under 0.15 USD this year. That is all about Stellar, and now let's move to our last cryptocurrency, USD. Our last currency on the list is USD. As you all know about USD, it's the world's second largest stablecoin currency according to market capitalization. First, let's talk about its recent price, that is 0.97 cents of a dollar. According to wallet investors, USD price will reach an average price of $1 this year. It predicted that the USDC price would remain between 0.999 cents of a dollar and $0.002 in 2025 and 2027. According to Digital Coin Price's USD coin price prediction, the price will reach $1.01 in July 2022, up from $1 in June, and remain there in 2023, 2024, 2025, and for the rest of the decade until 2030. Algorithm-based forecasters did not provide longer-term USDC forecasts for 2040 and 2050. As a final thought, please do not use all the provided information as financial advice, as we are not financial advisors. Do your own research before investing in cryptocurrency, and only invest the money that you can afford to lose. That is all from my side, crypto lovers. If you enjoyed this video and want more informative videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to be up to date with all the crypto news. Believe me, it will not cost you any cryptocurrency. But your likes and subscribe would motivate the Crypto Dogmas team to deliver more valuable content. See you in the next video.